Hey everyone, it's Avraham from ReConvert. Today, I'm here to guide you through the product block within our widgets on Shopify. This block is essential for displaying specific products and customizing recommendations for your customers based on their shopping behavior or preferences. So let's explore the setup and unique options available on the different pages and widgets. Product block appears across various ReConvert widgets, each with slightly different customization options depending on the page. For instance, you'll notice variations between the checkout, thank you and order status pages and the post-purchase 1 and 2 upsell pages. I'll point out these differences as we go along. To start customizing, let's start with the product upsell widget, the most elementary widget from which the other widgets are built, and we'll start on the thank you page. This will be very similar to what you'll expect to see on the checkout and order status pages. Let's click on the product block. Here we can see we're presented with two layouts. We have this layout, layout 1, or layout 2. You pick the one that works best for your store and your product. You can decide which product to display. Do you want to have a specific product, or do you want to select one of these options? You can find more details about this in the help desk article. We're going to select a specific product here. We can select what to do if the product is already in the order. Do we want to display the featured product anyway, or do we want to hide the upsell, which will stop the item displaying? Do we want to use an alternative like a Shopify recommendation or a wiser recommendation, a personalized recommendation, or a Recomatic recommendation? Or do we want to select an alternative specific product, which we would select here right now? This will look slightly different in the post-purchase upsell pages 1 and 2. Within this page, we're now in the post-purchase product page 1. You'll see that the product upsell appears straight there because this is a one-click upsell, so it varies slightly to the other pages in the flow. You can see on the right that the layout looks slightly different. Here we can choose from a 1-column product, a 2-column product, or a 3-column product. In this case, we don't have a 3rd column. We can also choose, as we had on the other pages, either layout 1, which is a more compact layout, or layout 2, which is a bit bolder. The rest of the options will be the same on this page as with the other pages. So now back onto the thank you page, and we'll explore how this block looks within the product recommendations widget. Here, the first thing you'll notice is that the block itself is actually called products instead of product. This is because by definition, this widget has multiple products within it. However, apart from the obvious differences of selecting different products and tailoring each one accordingly, you'll find that this is just an expanded version of the product upsell, and you'll be able to tweak these exactly as you like. We have 3 layouts to choose from. We can have the grid option, which looks like this, where we're able to select the number of products that we're displaying and the number of products per row. We can then select the specific details of each individual product here, and we can amend these as we wish. I'm not going to go into that here. We have a slider display. Here, when you have multiple products beyond the slider size, as in here, let's say we have 8 products. So here we have different ways of displaying that. We want to have 8 products here and a maximum of 4 on the slider size, which is the most that we can have. We can have up to 4 displayed on one row at any one time. So because we've got 8 products and we're using a slider size of 4, we therefore are able to scroll along using this bar here. So here we have different ways of indicating to the merchant that they're able to scroll through other products. The most obvious one is this pill. We call this the pill, and you're able to select this over here. This isn't a clickable button, but it does indicate to your customer that they're able to scroll along here. If you want something more discreet, you could choose the shadow option, which takes away the pill, and the customer is then left to understand that there is further products via scroll. And if you want something even more discreet, you can take the option away completely, so you're left just with this bar here. I would recommend personally using the pill option just to make it clear to merchants, to your own customers, that they're able to scroll along there. You're also able to change the text here, just like this. Make sure you go ahead and save the options that you wish to display on your product recommendations widget. Let's have a look at how this differs on the post-purchase pages. Here we can see that we have slightly different options. So here on the post-purchase page within the product recommendations widget, you'll see again that we have products in plural. Again, this is because we have multiple products within this one upsell. You'll notice that the layout options differ slightly as we only have grid or list. Nevertheless, you still have the same amount of products. You can still go up to 20 products here. Each one can be amended exactly as you wish. We can't go above 20, and you can select up to 4 products per row, like so. Let's now look at how the product block works within the bundle widget. So you can see here we've got the bundle widget selected and we have a number of products here. By the very nature of a bundle widget, we will have multiple products. Let's click the first product. It will consist of multiple separate product blocks, as just mentioned, and by default, 3 products are added, allowing you to tailor each product block individually to fit your store's goals. This is particularly helpful if you want each product in the bundle to stand out with unique settings. So we've got ours here. We're able to select specific product, Shopify recommendations, most expensive product in the order, the cheapest product in the order, wiser recommendations, personalized recommendations, or recomatic recommendations. You'll find that the products displayed within the bundle widget are the same. The product block exists in the same fashion on the thank you page, checkout, and order status page as in here, as it does on the post-purchase page, with the exception being that on the post-purchase page, because this is a one-click upsell, there will be no option to verify this on the accept button here. So to wrap this up now, the product block is a versatile feature in ReConvert, giving you different ways to display and customize product recommendations based on your page type and goals. Whether you're setting up a single product, using product recommendations widget, or you're using a bundle, and also whether you're on the checkout page, post-purchase pages, the order status page, or the thank you page, these tools will help enhance your customers' shopping experience and increase your sales potential. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying these tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates. And if you love ReConvert, please leave us a review on the Shopify App Store. Happy reconverting!